Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Cash App locked account due to suspicious activity. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Cash App and look for any banner or message stating your account is locked due to suspicious activity. Tap on it, as the app sometimes provides a direct option to verify your identity or contact support. Next, log in with your credentials. You may need to provide your full name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your SSN, the same info used during account creation. Once submitted, Cash App will review your details and unlock your account after verifying your identity. If nothing happens within 24 hours, reach out to Cash App support. You can start a chat with a support specialist or call them directly. Explain your situation clearly and they will guide you through the troubleshooting process. Most cases are resolved within 24 to 72 hours. While waiting, use the search bar to look for Locked Account for guidance on resolving issues independently. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email or notification that your account is unlocked. So that's basically how you can fix Cash App locked account due to suspicious activity. That's it for this video. Thanks.